Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Convolutional Neural Networks, CNN, Tutorial in Python with GitHub code example. Introduction. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, have proven to be highly effective in image recognition tasks, making them a popular choice in the field of computer vision. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the implementation of a simple CNN using Python and popular deep learning libraries like TensorFlow and Keras. The complete code example can be found on GitHub for reference and collaboration. GitHub repository, link to GitHub repository. Prerequisites. Before diving into the tutorial, make sure you have the following prerequisites installed on your machine. You can install the required packages using the following command. Building the CNN model. We will create a basic CNN with the following architecture. Loading and pre-processing data. For this example, we'll use the NIST dataset, which consists of 28x28 grayscale images of handwritten digits, 0 to 9. Compiling and training the model. Next, we compile and train the CNN model using the NIST dataset. Visualizing training results. Finally, we can visualize the training and validation accuracy over epochs using Matplotlib. GitHub repository. The complete code example, including the CNN implementation and data loading, can be found on GitHub for reference and collaboration. Feel free to explore, modify, and experiment with the code. Link to GitHub repository. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of building a convolutional neural network, CNN, using Python, TensorFlow, and Keras. The provided code example demonstrates the construction of a simple CNN for image classification on the NIST dataset. Use this tutorial as a starting point for your own projects and explore more advanced CNN architectures for different computer vision tasks. ChatGPT.